A golf ball is struck and flies in a parabolic path above horizontal ground. Its height above the ground is given by h is 30t minus 5t squared for values of t between 0 and 6. Why the restriction 0 to 6? If we do h of 0, that's going to be 0, and that's at the start. If you do h of 6, that's going to be 30 times 6. Take away 5 times 6 squared. And that also comes to 0. So if this is the horizontal ground, it's here at t equals 0, and it's here at t equals 6. So from that point, it may well bounce on or roll on, but it's not going to be part of the same motion and therefore will not have the same formula. So that's why we have that restriction. When does the ball reach its greatest height, and how high is this? We know that the path is parabolic, and that means it's symmetrical, and therefore it reaches its greatest height at t equals 3. So h of 3 is going to be 30 times 3, take away 5 times 9. So that's 90, take away 45, which is 45 meters. And that's at t equals 3 seconds.